Just a quick unboxing of the LeadsaiL wireless keyboard and mouse that I picked up from the Amazon team. Comes just like this. Now I think it comes in a variety of colours. I went for the pink. You get your user manual there. You get your mouse. This takes a battery and it also has the USB port there. And you're on off there. But that looks nice and movie. I like the colour. And that's the keyboard. I specifically wanted one with a numerical keypad. So if that's not important to you, this may not be necessary for you. But I wanted it. Let's listen to the click. Oh, that's smooth. I really like that. I had to replace my last one because it was a different colour and a different brand because I smashed the delete button too hard. But there we go. It looks really nice. It's got little kick feet on the back to adjust the height if you want to. There. And you've got your battery port. There we go. And once you plug in your little USB dongle, it will find the device. You can go to your Bluetooth settings. If it doesn't automatically pop up, it probably will. And you can just plug and play it from there. But yeah, that feels nice. It's a good size. I don't like ones that are too small. This seems like a nice size. Satisfying buttons. Listen to that. Lovely. Yeah, looking forward to having a new little keyboard. And I like that it's pink.